So guys, today we are gonna play supercar racing game. So this is basically the game. I have a Porsche 911 Turbo. I think that's Porsche 911 Turbo. So let's start the race. We are with Tony, Victor, Antoine, and Dent. Just got a really good start right there. I think I'm gonna go right here, and then just what? Just crossed him. Just crossed the GTR. And oh, I thought that was the lap. I took a 20 checkpoints. Whoa, I can drift very well. I'm in first place right now, and I'm destroying those cars. Just look at the drift. That's the most beautiful drift I've ever seen. Let's do this. You got a checkpoint. Almost 10 checkpoints right there. Look at the finish. That's great. That's the best drift I've ever seen. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys know that's the best drift you've ever seen. Let me know in the comment section down below. And we are going 400 miles we are going 400 kilo. We are going bruh. We are going 400 kilometers per hour. Bruh. And I know this car's top speed is 420, but just how? Second first? No. I crashed, but I'm still in first place. 200 kilometers. I need 2 checkpoints. Literally 2. I passed the car 3 times. Yes! And I think I'll do 1 lap only, and if you guys enjoyed this video, new car game, make sure to subscribe with the post notifications on. We are getting so close to 100 subscribers. We are only 27 subscribers away. And let's see if this video can get 5 likes on this video and 10 views. No, 200 views in this video. 6 comments. No, 7 comments. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.